Hi friends. Let's see how to add in XLOOKUP and XMATCH functions in the MSExcel, version 2007-2019. These functions are more advanced and most flexible than the older functions. Let's start. Now I am trying to type this lookup formula but function is not available. To get this lookup and XMATCH function we need to download this functions file as per system type 32 bits or 64 bits from this online website for free. I have shared the link in the description, please check out. I have downloaded the 64 bits file and saved in my file folder. Now in Excel, go to File, then click Options. One pop-up will open. In that select Add-ins, then, at the bottom, click Go and enter. Now, click Browse, and I am selecting the relevant file from the folder I have already saved. After selecting, click OK. Wait for a few seconds, the functions will be added in. Now try whether the function is available in Excel application. Hooray! Succeed! Please check out our channel for XLOOKUP and XMATCH function usage in separate video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more Excel knowledge.